Okay, my friends, and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. Okay, so today we are going to do it should be quite a short video, at least I think it's going to be short. It's a dish that again reminds me of my childhood. It was a regular dish when a midweek meal when we were kids, and we used to call it Wiener Schnitzel, but it's actually pork, so it's pork schnitzel. So, and that's what we're gonna do today. Okay. Right then, we will start with the meat. Now I'm using I'll bring it up here. I'm using a fillet of pork, or rather half a fillet of pork, because it's just for me. If you're cooking for two or more people, then please ramp up the recipe. Use a full fillet or even more. But for me, I'm just using half a fillet, which I've cut into three. And I've already done some, just to quicken it up. So basically, you can imagine this being the length. I've cut it up into three. So what I do, stick it on its end. I hope the camera can pick this out. Cut it in half lengthways. And then half again. Not all the way through. I'll just butterfly it. Bit. That. Get my meat basher, my tenderizer, whatever you want to call it. No, I never use the cling film or shrink wrap, whatever you want to call it, on these. My mum never did it, and I've never done it either. I may do it on chicken and the likes, but I just worktop the meat basher, and basically we just want to bash away. Not too hard. Just trying to spread it out. Turn it over. It doesn't matter about the shape. And that's it. We're ready to put with the meat. Right, I'll carry on with this and I will get back to you. Right, that's the meat all beaten out. So we have flour. There's about 3.5 tablespoons of flour there. Now into that I've put about a half teaspoon of powdered garlic, about half a teaspoon of paprika, some salt, a little bit of cracked black pepper. Then we have a bowl with our eggs, our egg wash. So there's 2 eggs in there. And then have again about 3.5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Then to finish off, we're going to have a squirt of lemon over it. And of course we have some oil to fry it in. Right, so first of all, flour, out of the flour, into the egg, out of the egg. Just make sure you get a lot of the excess off. You don't need too much egg in it. It's only just to hold the breadcrumbs, and into the breadcrumbs. Hope you can see this on the camera. coating. And put it on a plate. Into the flour. Out of the flour. Into the egg. Out to the egg. Breadcrumbs. Your hands get a bit khaki doing this. Right, we'll put a tablespoon of oil, a little bit more. Pan. So you want to heat this on a medium heat, a medium to high heat, I would say, for around 3 minutes on each side. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. Turn them over. That's the colour you're looking for. Not too dark. Nice and crispy. Okay, that's done. I've got one more to do, and I'll get back to you. Okay, my friends, I'm looking forward to this. This so brings me back to my childhood. Excuse me. So tasty. Yeah, so simple. You can have this with, we always had it with mashed potato and peas. You can have it with, I think traditionally it's with a potato salad or stuff like that, but oh man, wonderful, wonderful stuff. Have a go at this, and as ever, please let me know if you have a go at this dish. Let me know in the comments below how you get on, what you think of it. It isn't traditional to put the paprika and or the garlic in the flour, but I do. It's my version. Give it a go and let me know what you think. In the meantime, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace, people. Peace.